Hi viewers, vaishipon here. You can sell your product through TikTok affiliate shop. It's very easy. You know, TikTokers have many followers. They can sell your products very easily. With TikTok Shop Seller Center account, you will get default affiliate option for TikToker. First time you have to add products to your shop. I have already added a product and now I got this interface. From here, promote your product via videos. You can select this option, set up an ads campaign. You can do ads campaign through TikTok for your product. But the best part is you can promote your products through TikTokers. And this is the option, create an affiliate plan. First time you have to add an affiliate plan, and our tutorial is 2 days tutorial is for this option, create an affiliate plan. How we can create an affiliate plan? This is our main topic. Okay, we have to click here, create an affiliate plan. Chat with creators via instant message tools. You can now send message to creators directly from your account in Seller Center, and the creator will receive your message in the TikTok app. This new tool make collaboration easier than ever. Go check it out. Got it? And this is our product. Add a WhatsApp account and email address to receive message from creators. You can add your WhatsApp number and email from here to collaborate with TikTok creators. Free sample. You can offer free sample to TikTokers, but we don't want to offer for this product. A commission rate. How much you want to pay for one sale to TikTokers? Suppose I want to give 10%. For security reason, I am not showing my product. This is buyer account. This is my buyer account. That's why I can show you the product. Our product price is £58.95, and we are giving 10% commission to TikTokers. TikTokers will get £5.90 for one sale, and that's why they will sell our product. They will make video to sell our product, and in this way we are making huge profit. And there is the option pitch. Tell creators why they should promote this product. We can describe the key features and benefits of the product, design, style, fit, texture, fabrics, colors, uses, function, etc. Okay, I am writing here description why they should promote our offer, but we can't show you because this is my buyer account. Suppose I am giving here some text and I am not giving free sample. You have to set up your commission plan and you have to submit your product for affiliate, and TikTok affiliates will get this message, and if they make videos with this product and they promote to their audience, you will get sales. That's it. Submit. Congratulations, you have created an open plan. You can add more plans from here. Okay, and this is my YouTube channel, Online Business 7, and you will get my Upwork profile link on every video description, and you can hire me through this link. I will support you for any kinds of online seller center account, like Amazon Seller Center account, like TikTok shop account. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.